Alright, next one I would like to introduce is MAS update. So if you're not logging into your workspace now today, and you go into multi-agent, and if you have your MAS activated, you will see that there will be a new interface already that's replacing the older interface. So in here, there will be two sections. The first section on the top is the template. So as we promised with everyone last week, that we will work on 5 templates that related to deep research, sales, content, customer success, and business analysis. So we need to place to show them, right? So that you can clone and play around with that. So we make a UI for that. So you can go here. So right now we only have deep research, but we will add more. So when you click on this one, it will show you like what is the how is it running on production. So this one is like an example. Like this is the result from Pixel ML, and this is an agent that provide an update. Another agent will provide an update in here. Yeah, it's quite basic. So it's just including one trigger and one research agent node. And okay, you can see here. You can just drag around, and you can see how things going on this part. And zoom in, zoom out. You can see like what is the workforce, and then you can duplicate the agent. It will take some time because right now the duplicating agent is taking a bit of time. So for example, like we need to clone every agent in the workforce, and then every agent, if it had a workflow, then we have to clone all of the workflow, and that's why it takes some time. So after you cloning this one, it is condensed into here is a bug that we will fix, but basically this is like this. So you can have in the trigger, which is like incoming message, and then you have your first agent, you have second agent. You can click on your first agent, you can see and do some configuration on the setting, MCP trigger, task management on or off. You can even do knowledge table. I mean, same the way that currently you are doing your agent. And similar for this one, when you even can configure your sub agent. So basically, it is quite similar. And what new is that for today we are introducing V2 of the UI. So if you click on this one, you will have the feeling of how V2 is going to look like. So that is a much more comprehensive. You can see this one is snack. So it means you can organize this is quite structured like this. So I mean it's just nicer in terms of like my frame, and you can click on feed view, you can like organizing to this one, and you can back and forth, like back, forth. So I think the V2 UI, we work a lot of things in this one, and we believe that it is going to be much more user friendly for you to build a very complex workforce. So you can have an agent here. You can add a new agent. Right now there is a read only. We're still cooking on this part. But basically, whatever that you can have in V1, you will find in V2 and even more powerful. Because in the workforce, we are, so let's switch in this one. So if you click on add node right now, actually we are introducing that you can add a workflow into a workforce already. So as a tool. So for example, like you can connect this one to this one. And with V2, actually what you can do is to having the different layout, and perhaps that the other snug as well. Yeah, so with a similar tool and workforce and trigger and so on like that. All right. So at the moment, the V2 is still cooking. We will keep here for a while, and you can switch back and forth between them. And when it's up to a level that we find that it is sustainable and stable, we will replacing V2 to V1. And yeah, to let everyone to try on this.